Halo lagi teman-teman. Iya, balik lagi di channel saya teman-teman ya. Kali ini kita main game yang lagi viral teman-teman ya, namanya Wuthering Waves. Game ini rilis 17 Mei kemarin, jadi masih cukup baru lah ya, baru. Terus size-nya di smartphone kita itu sekitar 9,65 GB. Jadi buat teman-teman yang mau main, siapin memori internal storage-nya sebesar 10 GB ya teman-teman ya. Oke, kita langsung coba aja. Game ini kayaknya menarik. Dari gambarnya aja keren banget. Ini kita kasih nama. Ini gamenya lebih ke hack and slash ya teman-teman ya. Jadi ini gamenya udah ditunggu-tunggu, tapi kemarin pada tanggal 17 Mei baru rilis. Nah, saya baru cobain sekarang ya teman-teman ya. Kita lihat seperti apa game ini. Keren banget gambarnya teman-teman ya. Gile. Keren banget cutscene-nya.
You're awake. Let me see. Let me see. Thank goodness you're awake. Or I'll have to try my last-ditch move. Emergency skills for junior patrollers. Lesson 1, CPR. Never did it on any living person, though. Juicia. Sorry. You just woke up and here I am, chatting up a storm. Are you all right? Do you feel any discomfort? You can call me Trisha, and she's Yang Yang. We are in the Gorgeous Spirits. It's on the outskirts of Jinzhou, Huanglong. You're tired.
Kita auto
doesn't
aja
seem
teman-teman
local.
ya, biar jalan
Are you a roving
biar
traveler from
kayak
afar,
natural
or
gitu teman-teman ya.
someone returning home? Elijah didn't tell us you'd have these after effects when you wake up. The wind has brought us a warning. The Aetheric Sea is converging. It seems a new tacit field is taking shape. That means it's probably gonna get dangerous here soon. I knew it. Our gourds are out of service because of the Aetheric Sea's influence. We can't send or receive messages for help now. We better hurry over to meet up with Baiju at our gathering spot
Kok
and get
kayak
out of
Kengi
here.
gitu ya teman-teman ya?
Guess you really can't recall a thing, but don't worry. If you got any questions, we can talk as we move. Yang Yang and I will give you the full scoop, every little detail from the get-go. Rover, can we call you that for now? Before you remember your true name? We shouldn't stay here. If you don't have other plans. Oh, that's great. Let's go together.
Nah, kita mulai.
Rover, I know you can't remember a thing, but there's one thing I'm 90%, no, 100% sure about you. You must be a resonator too. You've got a tacit mark on the back of your hand, and you have a gourd. This is proof you're a
Sebentar,
resonator.
optionnya di
Your
mana ya?
gourd's design looks. You've got a tacit mark on the back of your hand.
Ini
and
apa
you
nih? Ah, nih. Setting. Seperti biasa kita cari dulu FPS teman-teman ya, biar merah pun terserah, yang penting FPS-nya tetap
You've got a
60.
tacit mark on the back of your hand, and you
Nah,
have a gourd.
ini
This is proof you're a resonator. Your gourd's design looks a bit different from the ones we use, though. Also, we have resonators who can detect the formation of tacit fields nearby, like what Yang Yang just did. She can tell all kinds of information by reading the streams in the wind. That's her resonance ability, while I couldn't feel a thing. Plus, not many people are gonna hang out in the wilderness these days, unless they're resonators. It may seem all nice and quiet here now, but you never know when a tacit discord might pop up out of nowhere.
kok bisa diambil?
Oh my.
Udah hilang ya?
Speak of the devil.
Mana tadi? Ah, Oke, musuh pertama.
Strike in the shadows.
Bravo! So you still remember how to fight despite having forgotten everything? Wow. Watch me lead the charge next time. No one messes with Ma Xiao Chisha.
Wush. Keren gambarnya teman-teman. Wish, naga. Wah, 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 wah.
What's wrong? Are you injured from the fight? You saw our sentinel in your memories? Yes, the one we built this statue for. The Oracle Engine Sentinel in Zhenzhou. There is one capital and 6 cities in Huanglong, with each city having its own sentinel. While they share some similarities in appearance, there are also differences. The Sentinel in Jinzhou is known as Jue, manifesting in the form of a long, like the statue you just saw. You were standing face to face with our Sentinel? One can hardly see our Sentinel with their own eyes. Most people only get the chance during the appointment ceremonies. According to your description, you stood pretty close. Only the Sentinel's appointed resonator is allowed in its proximity. For now, that person is the magistrate of Jinzhou. Whoa, darn! That must be an elite class! Oh, Tricia might be in danger. Rover, please.
Sementara ini kita dipanggil Rover, guys.
Moment of resonance.
Nebus maut, guys. Apa itu?
Rover, watch out!
Uts. Ush, ush.
Swift and resolute.
Ambil daun dulu. Serang lagi. Terus mau.
Upon us.
Ush. Switch your resonator when concerto energy is full to trigger the exciting resonators outro skill and consume all the concerto energy to trigger the income resonator intro skill is resonator stereo. Oh, outro sama intro. Jadi mungkin masuknya kalau ini udah penuh ya teman-teman, yang kuning-kuning di bawah tuh ya. Kita coba aja ya. Ini juga saya baru pertama kali main, nggak tahu juga gimana sebaiknya.
That was close. You fought so well. I didn't even get a chance to help, and Yang just rushed over to protect you like a Anyway, Yang was trying to shield you, and then bam! The Tessa Discord was taken care of before I could get a good look. Anyway, Yang was trying to shield you, and then bam! The Tessa Discord was taken care of before I could get a good look. Shizia.
Tempat apa itu tadi, guys? Wood textured shard. Apa pula itu?
See? There's a resonance beacon over there. When you see a beacon, be sure to register and activate it. It's usually safe within a 5-meter radius of a beacon. When you see a beacon,
Kalau resonance activated, you can open the map and fast travel. Oh, ini untuk teleport-teleportnya, teman-teman.
be sure to register and activate it. It's usually safe within a 5-meter radius of a beacon. It can protect you from danger. We're almost at the gorge's entrance. There will be a descent. But if your terminal's
ambil dulu.
glider module still works, it will make things easier. I will show you how to use it.
Nah, kenapa nih?
Once you're
Oh,
out of the gorge,
cutscene.
there's only a short walk to reach Jinzhou. Jinzhou is the safest place around here. The Resonance Nexus provides coverage for the whole city. Besides, we've got a protective barrier and strong fortifications. Right? Jinzhou sits between the Desrock Highland and the Norfolk Barrens. It's a border city and a fortress. It's very crucial to the safety of Huanglong. Huh? We've agreed to meet up with Bai Zhe here. Where is she? This is the center of the Aetheric Sea. A tacet field? When did it show up? It wasn't here when we just got here. But I didn't sense a hint of a tacet field's presence. So it appeared while we weren't looking? Like in the blink of an eye? Or maybe the Aetheric Sea can tell where we are. Could it be following us? The center of the tacet field. Isn't that Bai Zhe? Bai Zhe! Bai Zhe! We're too far away. Perhaps she can't hear us. We agreed to meet up around here, and she said she was off to collect some samples. Gosh, did she really go straight into the heart of a tacet field for that? Bai Zhe wouldn't take such risks without careful consideration. Freshly formed tacet fields go through a dormant period. The faster a tacet field forms, the longer its dormant period lasts. For now, this tacet field should be safe. True. Who could have set the bait then? Some tacet discords can parrot human speech and behavior, namely the Whisperins. I doubt whether they can imitate a real person to this extent, though. Right. The glider can't carry us beyond the tacet field's range. Besides, Bai Zhe is there. We'll have to go down and see what is going on. Now it's time to use a glider module. Rover, let me help you activate it. Bai Zhe!
Bisa pakai glider, teman-teman.
Bai Zhe! We're in a dormant tacet field, right? Why did you come here by yourself? Bai Zhe, you know we... Huh?
You are all right, it seems.
Yeah, you were super energetic. Handled a super big TD. Way more spirited than me. I've been keeping an eye on his condition through the stream. It isn't. Bai Zhe is just concerned about your condition. She must think we shouldn't be letting you move around that much, since you've just regained consciousness.
This isn't the place for talking. Let's go.
Keren. Ngelawan nih. Oke.
And that strange Tacit Discord is here too.
It's the Tacit Discord ability. Be careful.
Loh, rak kepecet aja. Apa pula itu?
I sense your weakness.
Pakai kungfu dia. Aduh,
Bad timing.
kan bisa berapa kali sih?
Together. Burst.
Terusnya mana?
End has come.
War. Curang.
No hesitation.
Gimana? Oh, weakness, hello. Oh, oke. Loh. Apa sih? Loh, bukan. Loh. Apa itu? Terus monot. Apa itu ini guys? Damage sense counter attack greatly. Oh. Ush.
I sense your weakness.
Terus mau.
Moment of resonance.
Dor. Terus. Kapok.
Yang! Rover! Are you alright? Are you hurt? Oh, thank goodness. We could see that darn barrier, but couldn't lay a finger on it.
I'm fine too. I've never seen such a formidable Tacit Discord before, but Rover was able to completely defeat it. I didn't really do much. It was all thanks to you, Rover. That's strange. This place isn't known to be so dangerous.
Anyway, come check this out.
Oh, this is an echo.
Wow, an echo of the elite class. Someone got lucky today.
My apologies. We got a little carried away. Does reverberation or echo ring a bell to you, Rover? Everything in our world is
Reverberation.
made up of frequencies, and every sound generates a reverberation.
Reverberation.
Those echoes
Reverberation.
are the lingering reverberations of Tacit Discords after they disintegrate. We can absorb them into the databanks in our Pangu terminals.
Yes.
Oh, by Pangu Terminal, she means the gourd-shaped device every resonator has. Developed by researchers in
Oh,
Wanglong.
ini
But you see,
kucinya.
it's not always we get to find these. Also, there's a limit it to what your gourd can absorb.
Absorption is only possible when your databank's level is equal to or higher than the tacit discord's level. The terminal can then convert its reverberation into an echo for use in battle. My terminal issued a warning when it detected that tacit discord earlier. It should at least be an Overlord class. Rover, would you mind checking your databank level?
No need for that. Rover, why don't you just try absorbing it with your terminal? Oh, so it doesn't work. No worries. You can start with smaller ones before tackling this guy here. There should be some sweet baby roshrooms around here. Let's go check those out, shall we?
We'll need to report the unusual phenomena here to the City Hall and the Academy. Let's make our exit.
I'm starving.
Ush. Ternyata nyedotnya pakai tangan dia, teman-teman.
What kind of power is that? Rover, you've been playing the fool all along? I've never seen a resonance ability quite like this. You got any other tricks up your sleeve? Like eating a whole tacit discord? Grilling echoes alive? I heard some folks tried to cook gull puffs, and they even made it a local specialty, didn't they? Speaking of which, gull puff's a type of tacit dis. I'm even more curious now. Anyway, spicy food is always the best.
Rover, are you feeling alright? Any discomfort? Could it be the side effect of fighting that tacit discord? Baiju, can we take Rover to do a checkup at Hwashu Academy's Resonance Medical Department? Baiju?
Absorbing echoes with the human body is not entirely unprecedented.
With a human body. I remember Comprehensive Mirror for Historians mentioned this in the Huanglong section's opening. A celestial being descended, commanding the Tiankun's boundless power. Assuming mortal form, they condensed the primordial essence, creating Pangu. Cleaving heaven and earth apart, they aligned the celestial and terrestrial. Their radiance encompassed the four corners. Thus began the illustrious annals of Huanglong. As provinces were first demarcated, that's where the names Pangu Terminal and Tiangun Databank come from.
Whether it's true or not, that story happened a long time ago, when Jinzhou didn't even exist. Could it be that Rover's like the great-great-great-great-great-granddaddy of us all?
Let's not jump to conclusions without enough data and proper analysis. Rover.
This is a holographic message to all of Jinzhou from the City Hall. My fellow soldiers and citizens, I apologize for any inconvenience caused. I am Jin Shi, the Magistrate of Jinzhou. As the Moon Chasing Festival approaches, responsibility on our shoulders with no room for retreat or failure. It is the dedication of our warriors, along with the diligence of our citizens, that has allowed us to thrive in peace and prosperity. Despite the challenges of tacit discords, we remain steadfast and hospitable to visitors, upholding our enduring traditions. With that in mind, I have a favor to ask. Among our many visitors, there is one visitor that holds utmost importance to me, the city of Jinzhou, and the entirety of Huanglong. We have awaited your arrival for a long time. Given the circumstances, you may be feeling bewildered at this time. You should have noticed some strange happenings related to you. If you plan to stay in Jinzhou for some time, I would be more than delighted to personally meet you in the City Hall of Jinzhou. While I cannot guarantee to provide all the answers you need, I will do my best to assist you and provide necessary permissions, if applicable. This is only my personal request. You can decide your course of action in any way you see fit. Therefore, I request the people and soldiers of Jinzhou to assist this esteemed visitor when the opportunity arises.
Why do I get this feeling?
This person our magistrate was talking about.
As Rover. Now you're talking a little like Baizhi, Rover.
Hey, that ain't the point, okay?
What are your plans now, Rover?
Dia disuruh milih katanya teman-teman ya. Jadi kita saya penasaran sih kalau jawabannya aneh-aneh itu jadi gimana. Tapi janganlah ya, ini sesuai dengan teman-teman pengen jawab apa aja sih.
I remember you had a flashback of yourself looking into its eyes when you saw the statue of our sentinel. We can't confirm its authenticity, but based on the magistrate's message, it seems Jinzhou has a lot to do with your past. Whether you were the visitor our magistrate mentioned or not, you are surely important to Jinzhou, and you will be our important
Friend! We've already entrusted our lives to each other. I've never seen so many TDs packed together. And that elite one was so scary. Well, you did get rid of most of them. Anyway, once we're back in Jinzhou, I'll treat you that famous specialty from Panhua's restaurant.
Wah, lah HP-nya tinggal dikit nih,
It would be
gimana
best
nih?
for your well-being to
Wow,
have a thorough physical
restore.
examination once we
Oh,
arrive
kalau
in
naik
Jinzhou.
level,
While there don't seem to be any
oke.
immediate side effects following the absorption of that echo, we cannot rule out the possibility of
Ini
other
apa nih
latent
teman-teman? Ada
risks.
merah-merah teman-teman. Oh, announcement. Ini tutorial. Ini resonator. Resonator itu jadi kayak karakternya ya teman-teman ya. Oke, ini tropis. Tropis itu mungkin ini ya. Nah, dapat kayak gini-gininya. Itu feeling saya tuh nanti buat gacha teman-teman ya. Oke, kita lanjut dulu aja. Bisa di
I'm gonna
auto
get you
enggak sih?
one you can absorb. I never never
Oh,
go
nggak
back on my
bisa dijalan
promise.
sendiri
Your
teman-teman.
hero Chisha's on the hunt.
One more time.
Loh, loh.
No hesitation.
Apa lagi nih? Nangkap bayangan lagi. Asik ini berarti teman-temannya, kayak bisa nangkep pet teman-teman.
Can you reenact what you did before?
Maybe you can only absorb the powerful ones with your body. Or does it have to be a certain type of Tacet Discord? Or maybe we should give your terminal a whirl.
Ada pilihan apps absorb teman-teman ya. Nih.
Yay! It worked! I've never seen
Oke,
a gourd
yang
boiling
udah di
hills before.
absorb. Ada echo, bisa diapain nih? Bisa di-equip terus. Pakainya kapan?
Your terminal's got a different look. But the functions are pretty much the same.
Wolololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololololol Tuh, bisa pakai skillnya dia. Oh alah, ya ya ya.
I sense your weakness. One with the sounds.
Menarik juga. Bisa jadi batu gitu ya guys. Bisa jadi batu gitu teman-teman. Lucu juga teman-teman. Eko nih apa nih tutorialnya. Oke, semakin banyak nyerap, semakin banyak datanya ya teman-teman ya. Oke, misi kita adalah menyerap semua data yang ada.
One with the sounds.
Ayo, tinggalkan ekomu. Waduh, oh iya nih ada nih, bisa absorb nih. Cing, ya lumayan. Oke, ini apa?
Cherish every gain.
Oh lumayan, oke. Absorb semua aja pokoknya teman-teman ya. Asik nih gamenya nih, berarti bisa ngumpulin pet nih. Maaf maaf.
Moment of resonance.
Ya, itu asik tuh, jadi absorb lagi.
Right in the shadows.
Absorb. Sini. Oke. Semakin banyak yang diabsorb, semakin banyak peluang kita. Oh, bisa diatur. Oke, ini apa lagi? Equip semua dulu pokoknya ya teman-teman ya. Equip semua dulu ya kan. Yang bagus yang mana kita belum tahu guys. Ini kita nyalain dulu. Oke. Wih, ada kupu-kupu. Oh, gitu diikutin. Jangan sampai ketinggalan. Jangan sampai ketinggalan. Nah, ini. Ah, tuh. Diikutin. Nah, terus diapain? Ya, cuma gitu doang ya. Ya, oke deh. Seru teman-teman ya, jadi kita bisa sambil nyedot monster, kita bisa apa ini, proses swim. Celat teman-teman. Tinggalkan bayanganmu. Ya, nggak dapat teman-teman. Azure Lizard, mana tadi? Ya, telat. Ada skillnya nih ya. Nah, gini kayaknya nih. Bisa heal HP teman-teman ini teman-teman.
Sounds.
Bisa joget heal HP. Iya, iya, iya. Waduh, lucu banget nih gamenya teman-teman. Dia joget-joget teman-teman. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Disco dia teman-teman. Oke, udah penuh.
Sounds.
Udah penuh belum sih? Oh, udah. Oke. Asik nih, nggak akan habis-habis nih HP-nya kalau gini nih. Bisa dapat heal gratis. Ah, sip 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 sip. Mana nggak ada monster lagi ya? Siap, siap. Ya, dapat daging paling enggak ya teman-teman. Kita butuh daging kayaknya, pokoknya masak-masak itu. Oke, kita masuk ke kotanya. Oke.
Rover?
There you are.
My dearest.
Seed of fate.
Seed of Fate. Siapakah
Alrighty,
Seed of
what should we
Fate?
do next? Shall we go grab a bite?
I am to return to the academy. The anomalies of the gorges of spirits, the resurgence of that tacit field, and the many wave-worn phenomena occurrences. I should report them in time.
Then I'll go submit our report and prepare the documentation needed for Rover's audience with the magistrate while I'm there. It may take some time, but there won't be too much paperwork.
Then I guess I'll take Rover over to the Nexus Tower for registration first. And we'll just hang out for a while. Being new to Jinjo and all, he can't be left standing outside the city hall with nothing to do. Hospitality is our local specialty, you know.
Then I'll leave you in Shizia's care, Rover. Is that all right with you? I'll give you a call once the paperwork is done.
Leave it to me.
I'll send the branch of Resin Medical Science a notice. We need to conduct a thorough physical examination on you to make sure you are fine. Come visit the academy after your audience if you have no other plans.
done yet? What's the holdup? Let's move. Then I'll have more time to show Rover around. We've got loads of fun in Jinzhou. We can go watch lion dances, hero plays, stand-up shows, and then maybe the martial championships. Plus tons of different treats to try out. You think it, we have it. Chisa, Alley of Justice at your service. Anyone need a guild?
Apa nih? Force resonance. Oh, bisa di switch gini teman-teman. Nah, gitu. Oh, ngubahnya gitu teman-teman. Bisa di switch biar lebih cepat. Gimana cara ke tengah itu? Gambarnya ngeri banget sih ya teman-teman ya.
Here we are. Jinzhou's exactly. Let me see. Think of it as Jinzhou's largest service station, or an integration hub. It's something along those lines. Long story short, it's a navigator, a defense system, and a regional information center all in one. And the smaller ones we ran into earlier are resonance beacons. Data is shared between all beacons. You activate one, and the entire map's data will be relayed. Just place your terminal here.
Activate. Kayak kendi teman-teman. Terus oh, healnya bisa di sini. Oke. Baiklah.
I have the arrangements in place. Rover, you can come visit the magistrate at any time. Juzia, do you mind bringing Rover over to the city hall?
Naik. Cihui. Oh, nggak capek-capek ya dia lari ya. Latihannya keras ini orang ini.
What do you mean I'm not the VIP the magistrate's expecting? Go see for yourself.
Ew. First time seeing such a crowd in front of the city hall.
I was surprised too. I've never seen so many non-staff person. Most of the people here have applied for an audience, but I heard they've all been turned down. Most people were advised to leave by the magistrate's bodyguard upon sending in their applications. The ones staying here are either trying to few that made it inside said it only took one freezing look from Lady Sunhua, and they were compelled to leave.
What kind of description is that? Sounds like they've met some snake-haired lady and got turned into stone.
She's the magistrate's personal bodyguard.
Oh, I've heard of her before. She's the all-round Death Glare / Terminator Ice Beauty. That's what the rumors say, at least.
There is a small chance she's not in the city hall, but it's very unlikely for her not to be in Zhengzhou. Or rather, it's nearly impossible for the magistrate to leave Zhengzhou at all. With her busy schedule, it's already difficult to find any time off. In addition, as the magistrate of Zhengzhou, leaving the land under her jurisdiction without authentication is not allowed, unless she's engaged on a business trip, or when Zhengzhou's safety is under threat.
Yep, there's gotta be something big if that's the case. So this is the true confidence of our rover. I agree, though. So far, you've been ticking all the boxes in our magistrate's description. Sure it can.
Have you thought of something, Rover? You mean... I can't really keep up with your thoughts, but I think a meeting with a magistrate wouldn't hurt.
Same here. Anywhere a magistrate's the best lead we have for now, no matter what she has in store for Rover.
What do you think, Rover? Are you in a hurry to recover your memories? In that case, how about meeting with the magistrate first? She may have the answers you're looking for and not allowed to go with you. Shizia and I will be right outside the city hall. We'll be waiting for you.
That's right. We're not going anywhere. Just give us a shout if anything goes down. Wait, no, we won't be able to hear ya. Plus, they've got this rule about not yelling inside the city hall.
You mean I'm not the VIP the magistrate's expecting? Go see for yourself.
kita menemui magistrate ya teman-teman ya.
Please, follow me. Kindly have a seat.
Disuruh duduk.
Lady Sanhua will be with you shortly.
Sakit itu matanya.
Pleased to make your acquaintance. I apologize for the delay. My name is Sanhua, the bodyguard of Madam Magistrate. I regret to inform you that Madam Magistrate is currently away. Prior to her departure, she instructed me to bring you these tokens and a welcome gift. Madam Magistrate advised you to explore what these tokens represent during her absence. This may help you acquire the information you desire sooner. I apologize for the inconvenience, but please rest assured she will be here to meet you in 3 days' time. When it comes to these tokens, it is never her intention to confuse you with the puzzles. Instead, they should serve as clues that lead you toward the truth. Madam Magistrate deeply regrets not having the time to deliver her messages to you in person. We value your presence far more than you might imagine. The same goes for any and all information about you. Since Madam Magistrate is currently away, I cannot make the final confirmation on her behalf. But you are truly exceptional. Regarding that, my eyes can see the frequencies of all living beings. Or rather, those frequencies are the only thing I can see. You share the same frequency with Madam Magistrate. Apologies, my description was not accurate. Both you and Madam Magistrate look undistorted to me. In my eyes, you appear the way you are. They all look different. May I have your terminal for a moment? Yes, it's the gourd on your waist, the device every resonator carries. Madam Magistrate thought you might need it. The utility module on your terminal has been upgraded to the latest iteration. Now, all the utilities, including sensor, levitator, and grapple, should be fully functional. You are now granted unlimited access to all regions in Jinzhou. I have sent your terminal ID Activate a beacon with your terminal for entry. You are free to visit any part of Jinzhou. Yes, including the city hall. You have full access to its facilities. Also, may I
Jadi orang
ask,
penting nih
have
guys.
you decided your place of residence in Jinzhou? If not, Madam Magistrate has arranged accommodation for you in advance.
Langsung
here
dapat
in the
rumah
city
guys.
hall.
Orang penting nih.
I will lead you to your room if you need. Understood. We will be ready to accommodate you anytime.
Lalu disuruh apakah kita leave the city hall and talk to Yang Yang. Lari. Sudah ada Yang di depan. Kita langsung bicara sama Yang.
Rover! It took you so long. What gives? Was our magistrate a chatterbox? So Madam Magistrate's not in the city hall. It sure is.
Shizia, the increasing tacit fields, uncannily powerful plus, I'm afraid.
Yeah, we've reported to the City Hall, the Ministry of War, and the Academy. We've done everything we can so far. I mean, this is one long. And we're talking about Jinzhou of all places. It's never actually been safe here over the past thousands of years. We've made it through all those TD outbreaks anyway. We can always trust General Ji Yan, Madam Magistrate, and our Sentinel to have our backs. We're not ones to mess with.
Well said. Do you have any plans, Rover? Rover, do you mind if we have a look at the tokens?
So, what's so special about them? A candy? Oh, I've had these when I was a kid. But I haven't seen anything like this in a while. Went on a trend, maybe.
It reminds me of my childhood. I was really scared of getting my flu shots when I was little. And sometimes, what does it mean as a token? It seems like it is a horological device that tells time by using sunlight's direction. Sundials in Huanglong usually have marked lines for the 12 shichens in a day. And every shichen is 2 hours long, with some showing seasons or months. On this sundial,
Ini tiap kata dia disebutin ya teman-teman ya. Hebat teman-teman ya. Konversasinya nyata banget.
drawn on the outer ring and its inner ring shows the 4 symbols, each representing one cardinal direction. These are the 4 famous auspicious beasts in Huanglong's folklore. Generally, the teal long represents the east. The white tiger stands for the west. The vermilion bird stands for the south. And finally, we have the black tortoise for the north. It seems the sundial is supposed to show both time villages. The Midnight Rangers have greatly improved the situation in recent years. But still,
The color of this leaf seems a
Terpecet
bit
daun
odd.
lagi teman-teman, salah.
sorry.
Kita skip
My
langsung
kin
aja. Oke,
Sochus
that's
here and
all.
I share similar childhood memories of the Sugar Pearl. Do you remember it too, Rover?
When it comes to candies, no one knows them better than the kids of Jinzhou.
Tanya orang sekitar.
But I got this. It's really good. Madam Magistrate said we should be nice to
Malah dikasih permen teman-teman.
There's still some distance to the Huaxiu Academy. Yang Yang just installed some apps for you, remember? Just look for the one that's called Util. See? Just open the
Set.
Util. See?
Keep it together.
Gimana ceritanya sih?
See? Just open the utilities, select the grapple, and there you go. If you want to be a hero like the Jinzhou Speedster, you gotta
Bentar,
master
bentar.
the
Tadi
grapple.
harusnya aku terbang,
Come on,
guys.
give it a shot, Rover.
Ini gimana terbangnya tadi? Ini cuma bisa lari gini doang.
Oh, wait a sec. Someone's look. Yeah? What? When did he do duty calls? Oops, sorry, Rover, Yang Yang. I've got to head off. If you need me, just shout my name. And I... Stop! Stop! Don't call me that. Anyway, I gotta go. You guys okay on your own?
Sure. Go, Rover. Let's go inside.
Glider kan? Iya harusnya bisa tadi. Aduh, tapi kok bisa nganu ya? Kita coba dulu nih, kita harus bisa teman-teman. Gimana ceritanya sih? Mainan dulu teman-teman ya. Oh, kalau ada itunya bisa. Oh, oke.
To my message. She's probably busy in her lab. Anyway, let's try asking him.
What? You need something? I refuse to tolerate the foolish striving of those insatiable slugs. Since it's difficult for our research to deal with a man like him, and you are.
Mr. Mortivy, please pardon our intrusion. We are friends of Baizhi, and we're...
I see. I hope I didn't cause any offense earlier.
Not at all. It was us who bothered you.
Baisha should be in the data analysis room. I'll go tell her you're here.
Thank you, sir. This is Mortivy, a renowned figure in the Department of Safety. He was born in the new
Here you are. The data we collected detected in the Gorges of Spirits has been submitted for analysis, and we'll have the results today. I have the equipment for your physical examinations ready too. Any discoveries during your trip to the City Hall?
What do you think, Baizhi?
I have a hypothesis about the sugar pearl, but I need to verify it first. If possible, I recommend conducting non-destructive tests of all these tokens. Data is always the first 3 tokens can be tested at my branch's laboratory. This miniature sundial will require radiographic testing, though, to access the necessary equipment. Yes, Mortefi is the branch of Tacitite Weaponry's head within the Department of Safety. One moment, please.
Give me the items to be tested. Anything else you need me to know, you can let me know now. You may retrieve your items in 20 minutes. And I don't see anything special with these items. Speaking of the sugar pearl, you all remember eating sugar pearls like this when you were kids? Well, I don't think I've ever had anything like this in my childhood. No, I'm from the New Federation. You mean the sugar pearl might be unique to Huanglong?
I remember a nurse lady giving me a candy like that.
So, sugar pearls like this were distributed at hospitals, perhaps.
The sugar pearl might be a type of medicine. Its sweet taste would have made it more palatable to children.
Ms. Baizhi, as a Huanglong local working at the academy, I suppose you already had an idea about what it is?
I do have my theory as to what it is, but it still needs verification. I wouldn't proclaim any solid answers before confirming the chemical composition of this item with reliable data.
Seconded. Let's find out through actual testing then.
It will take some time before the results are ready. If you have other matters to take care of, you should go ahead. I'll let you know once we have the results.
Shall we wait here at the academy, Rover?
Sure you can, but don't forget your physical examination. I have the equipment ready. I'll need to check your health status and see if there are any. Now let's begin, if you're ready. Can you try to manifest the Crownless's frequency without using your terminal? I am not seeing the Crownless's data in your terminal. So it was indeed absorbed into your body. The Crownless's frequency energy was consumed by your body, leaving no trace behind. But how did you manage to do that? It's as though there's another mechanism within your body capable of absorbing frequency energy. How do you define monster? For resonators like you, such abnormal fluctuation. This is known as overclocking, and is categorized into 3 levels based on severity. In extreme cases, the excess energy can even manifest as destructive tacit fields. We have established a comprehensive overclock diagnosis process to accurately predict potential risks of overclocking. Your waveform graph shows a remarkable level of stability, surpassing any resonator I've encountered. Your risk of overclocking should be minimal. You don't need to worry about that for the time being. To put it simply, it seems there is another dimension or a creature hiding inside your body. A universe. That's a poetic and intriguing comparison. It seems we need a simulated combat to figure out what happened in your body. Please hold your terminal tight and stay still. Enemy's simulated training ground. Don't worry, Yang Yang and I will assist you. Please fight the simulated tacit discords like you normally would.
Defeat all enemies. Mana enemiesnya? Oh, ini dia. Wow.
sections are in good condition. Yours seem entirely unaffected by the Crownless's energy. Now, we will temporarily boost your resonance ability for further testing. Not the slightest fluctuation in your frequencies. So, it is not your resonance ability either.
Apa itu? Suaranya. Monsternya ngeri.
The end has come. Burst.
We have gathered all the data we need. The test is ending soon. Rover, you can find the exit straight up ahead.
Rover, can you hear me? Hello?
The comm line is dead. Something's wrong. Gotta be cautious. The comm line is dead. Something's wrong. Gotta be cautious. Now, where is the exit? I'm back to the same spot again. And this moon. What is happening? Are those tacit discords?
Ketemu lagi sama Tacit Discord.
Rover! Rover! Ah, thank goodness. You're awake, Baiji. What happened just now? The connection was suddenly cut off.
Rover, do you still remember what you saw? Can you give us some more details? A giant tacit discord with a scythe. It doesn't sound like the Crownless. Might be even higher ranked. This is the first time we've run into anything like this since we put the training ground into use. The Sonorosphere captures everything that once happened in a specific time and place, be it good or bad. We built this simulated training ground after the structure of Sonorospheres. Our goal was to extract pure remnant energy with the simulated Sonorosphere. But we cannot guarantee that all abnormal frequencies were eliminated. Your arrival may have revived the abnormal frequencies we accidentally captured. Remnant energy sometimes gives rise to memory manifestations of sentient beings. You may have encountered one such manifestation. I suspect it could have something to do with your unconscious mind. Such anomalies could have been hiding in the simulation, and they resonated with your subconscious. Or perhaps they were lifted from your subconscious in the first place. I'm afraid I can't give you a conclusion yet. Not until we've run I'll also check the simulated Sonorosphere again to see what on earth, in terms of bodily functions, you seem to be in perfect health. In fact, but if you feel anything unusual, please come find me anytime.
Wah, ini teman-teman, gacha. Saya udah lihat tier list. Yang hebat itu namanya Jin Yan, teman-teman. Dapat Baiji, oke lah ya. Nah, masalahnya apakah kita bisa mendapatkan? Nah, ini si Jian ini katanya hebat, teman-teman. Ada pistol ya, keren ya. Terus nggak dapat apa-apa gini, gimana ceritanya mau gacha, teman-teman ya.
Talk is cheap. Show me the action.
Oke, seharusnya ada mail. Nah, ini yang kita tunggu-tunggu, claim all, jebret, langsung kita bisa pakai untuk gacha, teman-teman ya. Wah, tapi ini perjalanan yang panjang sih kalau dari tutorial. Cuma ceritanya bagus sih, bagus ya teman-teman ya. Ceritanya lain daripada yang lain, bagus teman-teman ya. Kita klaim dulu untuk menambah-nambah kita gacha, teman-teman ya. Nah, ini saya nggak tahu sistem gacanya gimana, apanya gimana. Ini apa nih, open to claim of your choice. Apa ini? Oh, gini. Apa ya? Inilah Dauntless Evernight. Wah, biar punya pedang. Wah, keren. Ini nggak tahu gunanya buat apa juga. Kalau ini pasti buat summon. Oke, kalau gitu kita langsung aja summon, teman-teman ya. Kita mau mendapatkan si Jin Yan. Tapi entah bisa dapat atau enggak, kita enggak tahu, teman-teman ya. Ini apa nih? Wow, bisa langsung dapat ya ini ya. Seriusan. Kalcharo. Hebat nggak ya ini si Kalcharo ya? Saya nggak tahu tier listnya, teman-teman ya. Kita lihat dulu deh. Bisa ganti nggak ya? Nggak bisa ganti ya? Kalcharo nggak paham, teman-teman. Nih katanya Jian nih hebat, teman-teman ya. Jian ini kita coba deh, apa ini, coba teman-teman ya. Semoga langsung dapat, teman-teman. Kalcharo. Wah, dapat emas beneran, teman-teman. Dapat nih. Ting. Oh, kalau dapat emas tuh gitu kayak apa animasinya. Swing. Wih, keren. Oh, kalau share kita bisa dapat 30, teman-teman ya. Sebentar, saya share dulu, teman-teman ya. Oke, barusan saya udah share, saya dapat 30. Kita coba lainnya, teman-teman ya. Apakah kita bisa mendapatkan. Wah, ini mau senjata atau mau ini ya, orang aja ya. Waduh, bingung juga nih. Terus mau ini, apakah kita akan mendapatkan si ini, reveal the last night, Jian. Kita coba aja, teman-teman ya. Dan ternyata cuma ungu, teman-teman. Kita skip aja nih. Oke. Sebentar, ini perlu kita share dulu lagi, teman-teman ya. Bentar. Iya, sudah saya share lagi, teman-teman. Walaupun nggak dapat siapa-siapa, tapi kalau share dapat 30 lumayan ya kan, teman-teman. Oke, kita coba langsung aja. Ini apa ini? Auto range of Marvel every time cover. Apa ini ya? Ini kayaknya khusus nih. Coba aja nih. Jian. Emas nih. Emas nih, teman-teman. Tuh kan? Ungu.
Ranger Donjing.
Oke.
Worry
Dapat
not.
siapa ini?
My
Danjin.
crimson blade will
Oh,
not
beda.
harm
Saya
you
pikir
as long as you
Cisia
have
tadi
it.
saya pikir ya. Oh, beneran dapat ini sih. Cisia itu ya. Oke. Oke, kita nggak dapat. Kita coba 10 lagi. Oh, 1600, teman-teman. Oke. Ini apa nih, teman-teman ya? Oh, apa ini? Every time chance 10% off. Oke, kita coba. Ada diskon. Kita langsung coba aja, teman-teman. Kuning ini, teman-teman. Waduh, ungu lagi, teman-teman. Tapi lumayan dapat comet flare. Apa itu? Kayaknya senjata, teman-teman ya. Kita coba lagi. Cet 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 cet. Kuning nih, teman-teman nih. Kuning. Ungu lagi, teman-teman, ternyata. Tapi dapat karakter, teman-teman. Siapa nih? Nggak tahu nih. Wis, cowboy S. Namanya Yuan Wu. Oke, kita coba lagi. Jin Yan. Oh, nggak punya uang. Maaf, teman-teman. Kita coba tes langsung. Der, kuning nih. Ting, ungu lagi, teman-teman ya. Siapa lagi nih? Tauji namanya. Oke. Kita coba lagi. Tes. Ting, kuning. Wah, ungu lagi, teman-teman. Dapat Discord. Lumayan, pedang. Oke, kita selesaikan aja langsung. Kuning, teman-teman. Apakah tadi kalau 5 kali pasti garansi kuning?
The chit chat. Tell me what
Mortal V, teman-teman, dapatnya. Agak kurang jelas, tapi ya udahlah ya, biarin aja. Loh, dapat lagi.
Opening greeting. Foul spirits be gone.
Siapa
All
ini?
safe and sound.
Lingyang, teman-teman, dapat Lingyang, teman-teman. Oke. Select originator to targeted. Calo-calo lagi aja nih. Oke. Sudah dapat, teman-teman. Jadi kira-kira begitu, teman-teman ya. Gacanya, kemudian kita bisa nangkep petnya juga ternyata, teman-teman. Terus gambarnya juga oke. Skill-skillnya juga oke. Combo-kombonya tadi, pukul-mukulnya bisa di counter gitu, teman-teman ya. Kita juga baru kita lihat-lihat aja nih si siapa namanya. Ya, ini Calcaro. Yang ini pasti bisa dapat, teman-temannya, langsung digacha aja. Apa ya? Bagus sih. Cuma ini saya masih penasaran sama gacanya, teman-teman ya. Gacanya, gacha. Senjatanya Jinyan ini, teman-teman. Tapi kita butuh 1600, teman-teman ya. Nah, kira-kira gitu dulu ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi perjalanan kita tadi dari pertama main sampai ke sini tengah-tengah lumayan jauh ya, teman-teman ya. Lumayan ini, cuma ya memang ini bagus sih, teman-teman, gamenya. Ini kita bisa ganti senjata juga. Nah, ini kita pakai yang ini aja. Kok upgrade sih? Switch. Nah, switch. Loh, saya punya pistol, pakainya di mana nih pistol? Pistol. Pakai pistolnya caranya gimana? Bisa nangkep pet juga ya, teman-teman ya. Oke. Masih belum tahu cara pakai pistolnya gimana, teman-teman. Cuma yang jelas ada bisa pakai pistol ya, teman-teman ya. Oh, ini senjatanya bisa diganti. Oh, jadi setiap Orang itu senjatanya bisa diganti-ganti. Oke. Oh, jadi tadi itu pistol itu bukan buat saya ya. Waduh, salah berarti. Oke. Oke teman-teman, jadi segitu dulu. Thank you udah nonton video saya. Semoga teman-teman yang baru mau main game ini bisa tahu game ini seperti apa, permainannya seperti apa aja yang bisa dinaikkan, bisa ada feature apa aja. Gitu ya teman-teman ya, semoga bisa membantu. Game ini bagus teman-teman, gambarnya bagus, operatornya juga bagus-bagus. Yang terutama bisa nangkep pet itu bagus, lebih bagus lagi teman-teman ya. Oke, thank you teman-teman. Yuk langsung mainkan gamenya sama-sama saya, yuk teman-teman ya, langsung kita mainkan rame-rame teman-temannya. Nanti kalau teman-teman ada apa yang mau diinfokan ke saya, silahkan diberitahukan di komen ya teman-teman ya. Jadi apa aja yang perlu diperhatikan, terus jangan kesusu gacha atau gimana gitu ya teman-teman ya, jangan buru-buru gacha atau gimana. Silahkan teman-teman bisa langsung diinfokan ke komen saya aja, nanti biar saya bisa lebih tahu punya info juga. Terima kasih teman-teman. Thank you udah nonton video saya ya teman-teman ya. See you teman-teman.